Well, hello, fellow RVers and future fellow RVers. We almost didn't have the opportunity to make today's video. That's why we're a little bit late getting it out. Because this Class A, new to us, was in the shop. That's right. Remember, I've told you several times that an RV is just like a boat. It means bring on another 1,000. Something is always broken. So I've told you in past episodes that we've owned several travel trailers and we have a Class C, and we generally have not had slides in any of our RVs. But this Class A, new to us but used, a 2014, had 2 slides. And despite our inspections before buying it and bringing it home and using it a couple times, last week when I came out to open up the living room slide, it would not open. There was just a grinding of the motor, and it was very obvious that there was a problem with the motor that moves the slide. So we called the RV dealership that we purchased the Class A from and said, need to bring it back in. We would hopefully like to get the repair work done quickly because we have plans for using the Class A in a week or two. And we would very much like to be able to use the slides. So, fortunately, we bought the extended warranty when we purchased this RV. And we did it really for a reason like this, that there would be items potentially that we were unaware of or that broke, because things in RVs tend to break, that we did not want to have to pay the repair expenses for. And of course, smart guys and gals out there will say, well, you paid for it, right? You paid for the extended warranty plan. Yes, we did, and it's financed over the life of the loan at higher than normal interest rates due to our current economic situation. But I did not have to pay for the specific repair. Fortunately, the warranty company was very quick in responding that yes, it was covered under the warranty, and the dealership was very quickly, much faster than I thought. Like, I thought that we would probably have to wait about a week to get the RV back. I thought that they would probably have to order in the parts and, just go through the normal, it takes time rigmarole. But not the case. The dealership had the parts on hand, and they replaced the motor within like 2 days, and text a message that said, RV is ready for pickup. Cost to you $0. We just need you to sign for the repair order. And so I was like, I'll be right up. And we went right up, and the RV was ready to go. And ta-da! Here we are, back at the house, talking to you with the slide out. So, it's working. Woohoo! So maybe one other thing, if you can afford it, like, we have not had an extended warranty on either of the travel trailers nor the Class C. And like I said, with the Class C, we had to do some repairs right away. Like, we had to replace a refrigerator that stopped working. We had to get the roof replaced. We had to get windows resealed. And those expenses weren't pleasant. But this Class A, the repair work was all covered under the warranty. It was done in about 2 days, maybe 3 days before I picked it up. So, very happy. And we can continue on with our plans for using the RV. And with that said, and having such a long video on our last upload, this is going to be very short. So we look forward to seeing you out on the road and in the campgrounds and in the truck stops and the rest areas and everywhere else that RVers hang out. So with that, maybe get yourself an extended warranty, and we'll talk with you next week. Bye.